Are you ready for another captivating performance from James Norton? Brace yourself because he's back with a gripping psychological thriller called Playing Nice, and it's set to premiere on ITV. When will James Norton's latest masterpiece hit our screens? I'm thrilled to share that the release date for this intriguing show has been announced. Joining James Norton in Playing Nice, we have the talented actress Neve Algar. The gripping psychological thriller will begin its broadcast journey on Sunday, 5th January 2025 at 9 p.m. with episodes airing weekly every Monday and Sunday. And just imagine the suspense and drama that awaits us. This series, commissioned in November of last year, will be based on an adaptation of a gripping novel that you don't want to miss. Imagine a scenario where a mix-up in a hospital involves 4 toddlers being exchanged at birth. Now, they all have to face the gut-wrenching dilemma of how to proceed. Be prepared for heartbreak and intriguing developments as they attempt to navigate this conundrum. The premise of Playing Nice has been wonderfully reimagined as we delve deeper into its world. The official synopsis reads, "Caught in a living nightmare, Pete and Maddie are suddenly thrust into the lives of another couple, Miles and Lucy." At first, I thought everything would be straightforward, but as we explore the characters further, we can see that ulterior motives are brewing beneath the surface. In this thrilling tale, you'll be left wondering, to what extent can each pair truly rely on the biological parents of their child, or even each other? And as Pete and Maddie face adversity, they realize that doing whatever it takes to protect their family is essential. This gripping story will take you on an emotionally charged roller coaster ride. Not only does James Norton captivate us on screen, but he also plays an essential role behind the scenes. As the executive producer of the show, through his production company, Rabbit Track Pictures, he has a newfound appreciation and admiration for the individuals who work tirelessly off camera. But in an interview with Deadline, Norton expressed his gratitude for the dedication and passion of the cast and crew who dedicate their time and emotional investment into crafting a scene or monologue. So gather your friends and family to enjoy this incredible show and be prepared to be swept away by the performances of James Norton and Liam Algar. If you love psychological thrillers, this series is the perfect heart-pounding experience. Make sure to give the channel and this fantastic show a like and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content starting back. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.